this video, I'll show you how to become an MEXC partner. First, scroll down to the video description and click the link to reach this page. Here, you can register as an MEXC partner and earn up to 70% commission. Register using the link provided. After signing up, click on the affiliate form to fill it out. Then send me your UID and info via email, Telegram or Facebook. I've left a message template below. Just copy it and add your exchange name and UID. Now I'll guide you through the process. Click this link, enter your email and password, then hit register. Check your email for a confirmation code, enter it here, and you're all set. Go back to the article, find the affiliate form. Click Activate Affiliate to see your UID. Enter your name and country. Fill in your contact info. If you don't have social media, just use your YouTube link. Here's my Telegram info. Find the Crypto Guru Pro YouTube channel and use its link. Click Active and your status will be pending review. We'll try to review your account quickly. To send me a message, click here. You can use email, Telegram, or Facebook. Click this section for email. Here's where you find messages. Click here, change to MEXC, enter UID. Go to MEXC.com, click the person icon. That's your UID. Copy it here. Then expand this, click send. You're registered. I'll message when activated. You can check. If you want other platforms, register here. Send all UIDs. These don't need forms, just register and send UIDs.